Hey there, it's Mia here, and I'm so excited to reach you directly. I've invited you to the Giant Experience Master Training, which is August 2nd to August 6th, and you have not signed up yet. So I just want to tell you what you might be missing, okay, so you can check out the page. You know, it's my life's work, it's my best work. If you want to know how to package your knowledge into a high ticket offering on and offline as a coach or consultant, author, speaker, trainer, if you want to figure out how to license what you're doing, if you want to know how to work one to many or sell high ticket offers, $2,500 or more. A lot of my clients are the or more, as you know. If you want to know how to package your knowledge into a high ticket product, position yourself in your marketing as the obvious choice so your ideal clients come directly to you. If you want my sales script, you want to know exactly what I say to close and sell in a way that's authentic, you'll get that. And also how to price to fully value what it is that you're doing. I'm teaching that training August 2nd through 6th. Don't miss it. You'll regret it. I will tell you. It's only $16.97. It's a steal. 10 plus hours of training you get immediately when you sign up. And then you also have me for a week, for 5 days, to answer your questions, to look at your models, to help you with your structure, to figure out your languaging, to challenge you and hold you accountable over the course of the week. So I hope you have an amazing day. I just wanted to pop in, and maybe you missed it, but if you did, I wanted to make sure that I told you about the Giant Experience. Check it out. Check out the link that's here on this page, all right? I love you. Talk to you soon.